So here's a massive 58-piece car cleaning kit with a wireless handheld vacuum. Now this comes with just about everything you could think of and more. So here you have some tablets so that you can make your own glass cleaner, and you have a 7 fluid ounce little spray bottle that comes with it. And you have this scrub brush that's for tires. It has a curved bristle part, a nice handle for good grip, get those tires clean. And this is a rim scrubber cleaner to get inside those tight spots on the rims that could be difficult to reach. And over here we have a windshield cleaner, and it has an extension that you could extend it and be able to reach across the windshield. And of course you've seen this around. This is the super clean gel. Now this goes into cleaning your dashboard, the buttons around your steering wheel, your center console, get the dust and dirt out from the cracks. Also comes with plenty of buffing pads to apply wax, and it also comes with more gel cleaning kit. And this one's good for the house. It's good for like keyboards and computer stuff around the house. Also comes with a replacement filter for your vacuum cleaner. And you've got nice quality towel here. This is great for drying off the wet car and possibly taking off wax. Now we got a standard lightweight towel. And this is a nice full-size duster to clean that dash, get the dust around the car, and give it a quick wiping. And these are car seat hooks. You hook behind the headrest and hang things. And over here we have a 3-set wire brush kit. Anything from like soft bristles to copper hard wires. And it comes with plenty of spare garbage bags to keep around. And we have a squeegee here that you could start cleaning glass and such. And this I like the most is the painter's detailing brushes. Now these brushes are great for getting in the nooks and crannies of like air vents and buttons around the dash, around the shifter handle, the door jambs, and also cleaning the rims. You get it inside the lug nut holes and really give a good detailing to the rims. And let's not forget the powerful cordless vacuum, which is the star of the show of this kit. And it really has the power, and it's really compact size to really do a good job of cleaning the car. See, now the back of my car hasn't been cleaned in a while, lots of debris and lots of junk, and it really did do a good job. I like this vacuum the most. And it comes with 3 or 4 attachments where you have some extra reach with the hose and the brush and the narrow little funnel for getting into nooks and crannies. So 58-piece car kit is a monster kit, and it's easily stored in this bag, which I don't know how everything gets in there, but it does. And you can see I'm just loading it up. It's easy to load and unload. The vacuum goes in there also, and it's all in a clean, compact compartment. You can keep it in the car, keep it in the garage, move it from car to car. So this makes it really convenient, and it's everything plus more that you need to maintain a car. Great gift idea. It's great to keep around the house, and I enjoyed it, and it's going to come in handy and keep my car in great shape.